Everything you need to know about driving. So, you're ready to start driving. Or maybe you just want to understand everything before you even touch the steering wheel. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about driving, from getting your license to mastering the road like a pro. Let's begin. Section 1. Getting your license. Before you hit the road, you need to get a learner's permit or driving license depending on your country. This usually involves a written test, an eye test, and understanding the basic rules of the road. Pro tip: study your local traffic signs and driving laws. Every region has slightly different rules. Section 2. Know the controls of the car. You can't drive what you don't understand. Take a moment to get familiar with the basic controls of the car. Steering wheel, gas pedal, brake pedal, clutch pedal if it's a manual, indicators, headlights, handbrake, and the gear system, whether automatic or manual. Sit inside a parked car and get comfortable with everything before turning the engine on. Section 3. Learn road signs and rules. You must know the different types of signs: warning signs, stop and yield signs, traffic signals, parking signs, speed limits, lane rules, and right-of-way laws. Following these rules helps you stay safe and also protects you from getting fined. Section 4. Develop good driving habits. Driving is not just about learning skills. It's about building safe habits like checking mirrors regularly, keeping a safe distance from other cars, using indicators every time, staying calm in traffic, and never using your phone while driving. Section 5. Be ready for different driving conditions. Driving in rain, fog, snow, or at night all feels different. Start driving in clear weather. Then gradually try other conditions with an experienced driver beside you. Section 6. Practice defensive driving. Always expect the unexpected. Stay alert, avoid blind spots. Don't trust that others will always follow the rules. Drive with patience and always stay focused. Section 7. Learn basic car maintenance. You don't need to be a mechanic, but you should know how to check tire pressure, read fuel levels, understand warning lights on your dashboard, and how to refuel or charge your vehicle. Driving can be scary at first, but once you learn the basics, it becomes second nature. The more you practice, the more confident and safer you become. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with someone who is just starting to drive. Now, tell me in the comments, what scares you the most about learning to drive? Or if you already know how to drive, what's one thing you wish someone told you earlier?